doesn't mean that you are going to take their wealth and give it to somebody. It means to create new policies so the concentration of wealth can be prevented. It's like Monopoly Act. Okay? It doesn't mean that I'll take your shirt away. All right? That's how do you read that? I don't understand. How can you do that? Okay? It's not physically possible to do that. But you can say the future policies would be such that this particular group cannot be into everything. There is a Monopoly Act in America also. We have to make sure that few people become so rich that they begin to run government. We have to make sure that's the requirement in democracy, everywhere in the world. Nothing wrong in being rich, nothing wrong in accumulating wealth, but to what point? Let me tell you, in America, there is an inheritance tax. So if, let's say, one has $100 million worth of wealth, and when he dies, he can only transfer probably 45% to his children. 55% is grabbed by government. Now that's an interesting law. It says, you in your generation made wealth. You are leaving now. You must leave your wealth for public. Not all of it, half of it. Which to me sounds fair. In India, you don't have that. If somebody is worth 10 billion and he dies, his children get 10 billion. Public get nothing. And law says, you get half of it, public gets half of it. So these are the kind of issues people will have to debate, discuss. I don't know what the conclusion would be at the end of the day. But when we talk about redistributing wealth, we are talking about new policies, new programs that are in the interest of the people and not in the interest of super rich only.
देश की जनता ने लेना चाहिए और कांग्रेस पार्टी नहीं करना चाहती तो अपने मैनिफेस्टो से सर्वे की बात को विड्रॉ करना चाहिए, ये घोषित करना चाहिए हमारी प्रायोरिटी माइनॉरिटी नहीं है, हमारी प्रायोरिटी गरीब है, जो हमारे देश के प्रधानमंत्री नरेंद्र मोदी जी ने कहा है, देश के संसाधन पर सबसे पहला अधिकार देश के गरीब का, दलित का, आदिवासी का और पिछड़े का है। मैं मानता हूं देश की जनता ने आवाज मुखर करनी चाहिए और डिमांड भी करनी चाहिए। धन्यवाद।
हमसे जुड़े रहने के लिए हमारे YouTube चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें और नई वीडियो की नोटिफिकेशन के लिए बेल आइकॉन को दबाएं।